Hello everybody, let's learn the ash word family. Cash, cash, cash. I saved some cash to buy a toy. Trash, trash, trash. Please put the apple core in the trash. Splash, splash, splash. He made a big splash when he jumped into the pool. Dash, dash, dash. She made a quick dash to the store. Smash, smash, smash. Be careful not to smash the glass. Clash, clash, clash. Their shirts clash because the colors are too bright. Eyelash, eyelash, eyelash. She has long eyelashes. Flash, flash, flash. The camera will flash when you take a picture. Mash, mash, mash. Mom will mash the potatoes for dinner. Crash, crash, crash. He was in a car crash yesterday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and comment on this video below. And as always, press that subscribe button to help this channel grow. Stay tuned for new videos coming very soon.